I was surrounded on all sides by a chorus of howls, and it was beautiful. There is no equal to the symphonies that the Lord composes through his creation. I can attest to that. Cedar stands are as dark as any forest can come, which is why I wouldn't have. Here's an old set of coyote tracks. Why don't we see where they go? Somewhere I can't follow. Here's a familiar set of tracks. Home sweet home. I liked the ammo boxes because of their thin but tall profile. Their shape allowed me to place the rocks alongside my sleeping bag without sacrificing too much space. Although rocks can make good thermal batteries, I still had some concerns with them. I had to put great care into making sure that the ammo boxes didn't make direct contact with my sleeping bag or anything plastic, especially for the first couple of hours when the boxes were at their hottest. Once I had insulated the boxes with a thick towel, it was safe enough to touch, and therefore safe enough to have my sleeping bag against. Although the heated rocks are much safer to use in a shelter than fire, I figured there must be an even safer method. So next time I stay out here, I will use water as an alternative thermal battery to heat my camper with. I know it will be much safer, but I'm curious to see how efficient the water will be in comparison to the rocks. Anyway, I placed the rock radiators in the camper at 9:30, and they held the temperature steady at 17 degrees Celsius until midnight, peaking at 18 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes at one point. After midnight, the temperature slowly dropped into the wee hours of the morning, but by then I was already warm and snug, sound asleep under the covers. Ventilation is a must, especially in a shelter like this, so I installed 2 vents, one in each peak. I also left a gap